Hey guys, another video on the Harbor Freight 5-drawer tool cart. We got this a while ago. Uh, I really love it. It's fantastic. Great color. It's a good step up from what I had. Had a bigger box that's been hard to move around, and we got this to just save time and have the essential tools on each of the jobs, so I don't have to waste a lot of time walking around. I'm not going to go crazy with each of the individual tools, but just a little bit how we set it up, and hopefully it's useful. Hi guys, here it is, the 5-drawer U.S. General Harbor Freight toolbox. We got this as a mobile cart to just help out in the shop. Up top we have the custom shelf we made to go on the props that hold the lid up. We have just all of our extensions and a few short things and a few long things on one side. Safety glasses kind of hook up to there. We got a magnetic wrench holder to hold just the most common wrenches to keep them at hand. A few other magnets on the side. We have the Harbor Freight socket organizers, which work fantastic. I've been very pleased with them. Screwdrivers, Phillips and straight on one side. We have the breaker bars and 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Wobbly sockets. I got my 1/4, 3/8 and half drive up on top here with some standards on this side and metrics on the other side. Allen sockets and Torx sockets. And we got our pry bars on this side. And a couple of the angled pry bars. And we have our magnetic claw and magnetic magnet. We have our spray bottle tray on this side. And some bungee cords we put on the side. We found a blue tray to go along with it. That works fantastic. And we glued a piece of rubber to make the tray liner. On the bottom we just have some of the electric tools, 1/2-inch drive, standard organizer, hammers and mallets and stuff, a test light back there. Big drawer, we have the longer ratchets, the Milwaukee electric ratchets, little voltmeter back there, snap-on bit driver gun, just assortment of little tools, circuit tester, mirrors, magnets, little brushes, hose tool, metric 1/4 drive organizer, picks in the back, brushes, and different bits. We got adjustable wrenches, some of these clench wrenches, they work pretty good. Torx drivers, Allen. And the less commonly used wrenches, we just have the wire organizer to just get them all in there. Some of the metric wobblies and Allen sockets. We got a pliers organizer down here, all sorts of different pliers, nut drivers, and the torque wrenches. Got a little cubby for a stick light. So hopefully guys taking a look at the Harbor Freight cart helped a lot. Helped me a lot to see a lot of the other videos out there, and still really happy with it. We've had it for a few months, and it's met all of our needs and it worked great. Thanks for watching.